Hello everyone!
Hello, welcome again.
Today we would like to make this session as news-alike.
Yes.
Right, because there are lots of things that has been happen in October and in November, will happen in November, of course, so we would like to announce what we have or what we will have in the session. So first, before we start, I would like to congratulate Microsoft for the Magic Quadrant for Cloud ERP for service-centric enterprises, second year in a row as a leader.
Congratulations, Microsoft.
Yeah, congratulations. So the second thing that I would like to talk about is this new book that I have purchased. You can purchase as an ebook as well, but I always like to have the books on my hands and make some notes, so it's your decision. And this book is the Microsoft AI Human Resources Handbook from Ana Ines, who is an MVP and also, I believe, a friend of mine. So why I purchased this book is more about the past, because I was able to do some implementations in human resources and Accepted 3.0 as well. But since then, I didn't have too much time to go with the human resources. I focused more about the finance parts, as you may know. But still, as a solution architect, you have to know all the modules, like you have to know SCM, human resources, because it's affecting everything, and also Power Platform, etc. So it's always good to renew your knowledge. And also, as you can see, this is a handbook. This is not a user guide, I believe, because in user guides, you know just how to do it. But in this handbook, you can also see real life experiences, kind of. And plus, you will be able to see the Copilot examples or also some Power Platform objects and etc. So yes, I have already finished almost 50 pages, even if it arrived on Friday. But my aim is to continue and read in detail and to understand what's new in the human resources. So thank you, Anna, to share your knowledge with this book to our community. And also what I would like to announce, which has been announced already in Las Vegas in Power Platform Conference, that we have a new logo for Copilot Studio.
Yes.
I really like it. It's very dynamics-like. Yeah, so yeah, this is another thing that I would like to share what we had last month.
Okay. So since you said Copilot Studio, I just want to carry on that part. But before that, I saw a LinkedIn post that I would like to share with our audience to have a renewal by your side. I just want to congratulate you again for your renewal. Please give some details about that one too, because I think it's also an important news.
Thank you so much. So as you may know that I am an MCT, Microsoft Certified Trainer, because I really like to give trainings. I've always been a fan of to give trainings to my users and etc. And I had decided to make it more professional when I took this opportunity to be an MCT. For some time, they were working on the portal, the MCT portal, to make everything better for the MCTs. Now the portal is ready and we are able to do our renewals. I've already done mine and accepted, so I will be an MCT one more year. So you can expect more trainings in the next year, so we will share our knowledge together and then be better on what we do. So thank you, Alper, for the congratulations.
And please don't forget to follow Bilur to get the latest updates about those meetings.
Yeah.
So I just want to carry on about the Copilot side. Actually, not only the Copilot, the Microsoft has announced that they will be increase the release cycle for those new features. So there will be new features, new demos, quarterly based for each year. So there will be seeing lots of new features and demos for 365, Copilot Studio, and Power Platform sections. So one of the things that has been changed recently with this perspective is the agentic transformation. So the AI is our most hot topic since this year and the other years also. It's gonna be seems another hot topic for the next year. So it will be having much more and more capabilities on top of that.
When we are talking about the agents in 46th version, we will have the account reconciliation agent.
Yes.
Which is prod-ready review.
Yeah.
So also while we are talking about the agents, I would like to put this one in here as well. And I hope that there will be more agents in standard that we can work on in Dynamics. Hopefully, this is not something that I know of, but I hope for. And also, we may say that there are lots of new words that comes into our lives. Yes. Normally, it was like the wordings were more yearly based wordings. Like we first started with AI, then Copilot, and before that, I think there was LLM, and before something else. But when I look into the deeper side, I think it's not now more yearly. It's more like monthly new things that come into our lives.
Yeah, exactly.
So also I think there is now, which is very famous for, is, as far as I see in the blogs and the meetings and summits and the conferences, are the MCP server.
Yeah.
So I think we have already discussed this in our previous videos.
Yeah.
But I think we can deep dive in the later videos when the new things arrive.
Yeah, exactly.
In our community as well.
It is evolving like a layer base, so it's putting a layer on top of the previous layer. So first we have an LLM, large language model, and then on top of that we use the AI to orchestrate it, and then now we have the agents which does tasks for us, but it was not like in a knowledge-based capability agents. So we have this capability with the MCP, Model Context Protocol, so you can assign some tools to that agent. So this agent can use those tools to get you the real-time data or more capability for collecting some information from the outside of the systems too. So that MCP stands for as a sidekick of those AI agents.
What has been already been discussing for this year? Last year was, yes, we were also discussing, but this year was more, it was pressed that there will be low code or no code. But I think now it's less code, but going with more about how to set up the agents, how to create an agent thing, right?
Yeah, exactly. You have to know which tool to be adapted, and you have to know how to set up those tools to give you the best performance, the best correct, accurate data as an output. For example, you can use the agent to collect the latest inventory status. You can use those agents to get the vendor balances, but you have to adjust your agent in a careful way so it will be security based. It's not gonna be causing any problems, and for the outside and the inside threats, and it will be performance based, also in a good shape. So I can carry on for the Copilot Studio part. So with the latest improvements, you can create your own agents. Like you said, Microsoft released some of the agents already as a built-in, but you can create your own agents. You can create some dashboards with the Copilot Studio, and you can create workflows like so you can approve some of the tasks. You can create some reminders for those workflows, and for the dashboard you can monitor your system, inventory, balances, and the payments, etc. As you can say, it can be done with the low code, no code functionality. And with this MCP technology, you can use those agents to get the more accurate data. And with the latest improvements with the Copilot Studio, you can use agents for using another agent to contribute with the data. So it's not independent working agents. So the agents are working together like you're in a team, like a real person working together with the other person to get the much good detail about your application, about your company, etc.
Yeah, I hear that there are lots of posts from Charles Lamanna for that part. We may go into our next video, go into that details on the blogs that he shared. So yeah.
Yeah, maybe. So the next videos topics can be like this one. So if you have any suggestions, you can also share with us under the comments.
Yeah. Okay. So before we go for the conferences and summits that we have this week, that I would like to first announce that there are 3 certifications that will be expired in the end of this year. They are the fundamentals. The fundamental of MS 900 will be expired, and MB 910 for CRM fundamentals, and 920 for ERP fundamentals will be expired. So if you have these documentations, it would be good that you...
Certifications.
These certifications will be expired, will be in your documents, but still will be expired, and it would be good to have new certifications instead of them for more active certifications. And we have a summit this month on November.
Yes.
It's in Lisbon, Portugal, and in which is about Dynamics 365 Bootcamp summit, and already the list of the speakers has been announced, but of course you know I'm not in. That's a shame. I'm not selected, but it's fine. I see the list of the speakers and the topics, and it looks awesome. So we will be there.
Yes.
And we will attend that summit. So don't forget to book your flights, take your hotel reservations and your tickets to be in Lisbon. Yeah, so this is the first announcement from the summit, and also in the 26th and 27th of November we will have another one which is online, but I think it's a good one to join. It's about the Microsoft Copilot and AI Agent Summit. So what is very important about it is that it has the latest innovations from the Microsoft Ignite. So you can expect more, of course, but it's a 2 days online summit that is, I think, good one to join.
Yeah, good to attend.
Also, we have another one. This has not yet been announced, but I will be in for speaker.
Okay.
Yes, I have that news, but before it's been officially announced, I would like not to mention it, but from the LinkedIn, you will see soon which topics that I will share and my friends will share in the summit.
Looking forward to.
Thank you so much. So I think from the topic wise, this is where we are for the news. So yeah.
Yeah, I think that covers all for this week.
All right. So if you would like to learn about more, it would be good if you can share your thoughts and the topics that you would like to hear from us. For today, thank you so much for listening.
Until next time, take care.
Take care.
Bye.